Have you ever heard a sound that no one else can? In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, a persistent low-frequency hum has been bedeviling residents since the early 90s. Despite various studies attempting to identify its source, from environmental factors to psychological phenomena, the cause of the hum remains unidentified. Theories abound, ranging from secret government projects to more esoteric explanations like Earth-generated frequencies. Yet, in this quiet desert town, the hum endures, leaving us to wonder whether we will ever uncover the truth behind this enigmatic noise.